Forecast.
Well, we continue to sweat through the month of July, and of course, this is the last week of the month. Now, as we go back to late June through our current date of today at the airport, Charlottesville-Albemarle Airport, day 32 now of consecutive 90-plus degree heat. The old record was 4 years ago. That was only 21. Now, here in downtown Charlottesville, our count's only 24. It does vary across the region, but suffice it to say, we know it's been a hot July. There's our view currently from the Charlottesville camera. A lot of the clouds beginning to dissipate currently, and sun will set a couple minutes before 8:30 this evening. Made it up to a high of 96 this afternoon. Right now 94, a dew point of 67 yields a real feel temperature still in the upper 90s. Many of the heat indices this afternoon east of the Blue Ridge are right around 100 and 102. 90, the current reading at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, feels like 96 with that dew point of 70. So again, muggy conditions tonight with the humidity. We've got 92 in Louisa, 90 in Culpeper, although there have been a few showers in your vicinity. A nice 77 pleasant degrees on the mountain at Wintergreen, and some upper 80s in Stanton. Take a look at NBC29's exclusive dual pole triple Doppler radar. Again, you can see a few showers working through Culpeper County. These are drifting off to the southeast, very isolated in nature, and again, most of us remaining dry here this evening. Now, temperatures overnight in the low and middle 70s, certainly muggy with mostly clear skies. Now, we do expect storms to return tomorrow. Not everyone sees rain, but the chance a little higher tomorrow as a weak cool front approaches. We'll have daytime highs still in the mid, maybe some upper 90s east of the Blue Ridge, low 90s in the Shenandoah Valley before those storms hit. Now, once again, tomorrow, the threat for severe weather is fairly low. A marginal risk is kind of highlighted off to our northeast. That could change, but the main threat would be some damaging wind gusts, perhaps some spotty hail, and of course some localized heavy rain with any of the activity tomorrow. So we'll watch this cool front in here on Tuesday. It should drop temperatures a little bit on Wednesday. It's still going to be hot, maybe just not quite as hot, and the chance of rain's a little lower on Wednesday. And then as we move into the late week, we still have storm chances, but we're still looking at temperatures in the 90s for many of us. Again, not a whole lot of coverage of storms or showers this afternoon. Most of that action is back across the Ohio Valley, where we have a weak cool front, and that gets closer to us tomorrow into Wednesday. So again, you can see plenty of 90s up and down the eastern seaboard, a little cooler in the Ohio Valley. Broad area of low pressure is east of the Windward Islands, headed westward, and over the next several days, this become better organized into a depression or storm. We'd make it to the I storm, and it's only the late July. So here we are with Futurecast. Temperatures in the morning will climb out of the 70s, a dry start. We'll heat up back in the 90s tomorrow, plenty humid. We'll watch for some of those storms, especially after 2, 3 o'clock and beyond. Those will die down tomorrow night. And then Wednesday, it looks like most of the energy with the front will be off to our south and east, but can't rule out something isolated. Most of us will see temperatures in the low 90s here on Wednesday. So mostly clear tonight, muggy, low to middle 70s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Still dealing with the heat and humidity this week. Again, coverage of storms will vary here over the next several days, but tomorrow looks like the better chance for storms as we head into the afternoon and evening hours. Perhaps maybe Friday we can hold temperatures in the upper 80s. We shall see, but we'll check in on that first weekend of August, which looks to be a dry start Saturday, maybe more storms returning by Sunday. Stephen Casey.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you.